Kandavu Island to the south of the main island, Fiji Livu.
Just caught too much of the tee there. Get it as clean as what he would have liked to. But he got enough and got it in.
When I was growing up, I played soccer for like 3 years.
Livu. And the kick is accurate.
And I transitioned to AFL.
He's got nobody in front of him. Simione.
I was very excited and I was happy to be scoring the first try of the season in front of my family and friends. And I thank the forwards, especially Tex and Elia, and Tex for giving me the last pass to score the first try.
And it came Butter up to the 10-metre mark. Kuruvoli through. He's got Kuruvoli. He's got nobody in front of him. Simione.
My name is Simione Kuruvoli. I'm from Amboalu on Kandavu. Moving into Nandi was quite a bit hard. Since growing up, since I'm still like not a kid, but leaving my parents back at home and coming to a new location and to pursue my dream. Yeah, coming to Nandi was a bit tough. First 2 years in here in Nandi, but getting to know the place now. Growing up, my grandfather told me if you wanted to have a good kicking skills or good kicking ability, go and play soccer. So when I was growing up, I played soccer for like 3 years, and I transitioned into AFL. From there, I knew that one of my strengths was kicking.
The direction, it's superb kicking from Simione Kuruvoli to put Fiji in front for the second. Absolutely superb off the tee once more. Simione Kuruvoli does just that, and Fiji nudge ahead as we head towards the half-hour mark. It's Fiji 9, Australia.
Going into that week, I know our coach Simon Rowley had the guts to start me as a starting halfback. Naming the team, I was nervous, and I know that the weight of the nation is on our other boys. It was a must-win game, but I thank the boys for turning up on that day. And when he told me that I'll be doing the kicking duties, but I just took it in and just absorb all the pressure that's been going around, and I was happy to be given the kicking responsibilities that day, and the rest was history.
He cannot.
During the week, we've been practicing well with Coach Sherman Bai. He's our kicking coach. Him himself have done that during the previous World Cups, and for him to be guiding me to another World Cup for the kicking duties, credit to him for everything he said, and all the pressures that he said that's going to happen in a game. I wasn't expecting to be kicking in front of thousands, but it's the beauty of the game.
Smoking Joe.
being able to get that little tip on. He comes around the corner nice and hard, holds his feet.
Ever since my son was born, me and my partner used to call him Sunny Bunny, and just the way of calling my son there. And from there, it grew. Then I decided to, just do a bunny pose after like every game. If I score or do a conversion. Yeah. Growing up, I've got a big supporting crew since day one, coming up to my soccer days in IFL and rugby. My grandparents, they've been there since the day one with my mom and my aunt. I was just, every time I play rugby, you can hear their voices from the stands. Even when the crowd goes quiet and you'll hear them shouting, then I know that they are somewhere up there. Especially my mom, she's happy to see her son do good in a big stage.
They go to work again. Highlanders try and get over the ball. It's there for Kuruvoli. Now Yosefo Masi, the slice man, gets the ball to his midfield partner. Now Kuruvoli close! And Kuruvoli scores!